Having strong, muscular shoulders is essential for a balanced physique, but building strength and size in the shoulders can be tricky. Fortunately, there are a few key exercises you can use to maximize your shoulder workouts and get the results you're looking for. In this video, we'll take a look at 7 of the best shoulder exercises that you can use to build strength and size in your shoulders. Number 7. The rear Delt Fly. The rear Delt Fly is a great exercise for targeting and building the real delt muscles, which are located at the back of your shoulder. This exercise will help to develop strength and size in your shoulders and upper back. To perform this exercise, begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and holding 2 dumbbells in each hand. Your arms should be extended straight out at shoulder height with your palms facing inward. Keeping your arms extended, bend your elbows slightly and bring the weights out to the side, engaging your shoulder blades as you do so. Pause when your arms are parallel to the ground, then slowly return to the starting position. For best results, aim for 3 sets of 12 repetitions, pausing for 2 seconds at the peak of the movement. Make sure that you maintain good form throughout this exercise and keep your core engaged and your body still while performing it. Number 6. The front dumbbell raise. The front raise is a great exercise for targeting the real delt muscles of your shoulders. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold 2 dumbbells in your hands. Keep your arms at your side and then lift the dumbbells up and out in front of your body until your arms are parallel to the floor. Pause for a second at the top and then lower the weights back to the starting position. To maximize the effectiveness of this exercise, do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Make sure you control the weight as you lift it up and down and focus on contracting the real delt muscles of your shoulder. You can also incorporate front raises into other shoulder exercises such as shoulder presses or Arnold presses. This will help to add extra resistance and target all areas of the shoulder muscles. Number 5. The upright row. The upright row is a great shoulder exercise for building overall strength and size in your delts. This exercise primarily targets the real delts, which are the 3 main shoulder muscles, anterior, medial, and posterior. It's also a great exercise for increasing shoulder mobility and stability. To perform the upright row, stand with feet shoulder width apart and hold a barbell with an overhand grip. Keep your elbows close to your body and lift the bar up towards your chest, leading with your elbows. Once the bar reaches your chest, pause for a few seconds before lowering it back to the starting position. Make sure to keep your back straight throughout the entire movement and move slowly. For best results, do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Increase the weight as you progress and focus on proper form throughout each set. The upright row is a great exercise for developing strong and well-defined shoulders. Add this to your workout routine and start seeing real gains in no time. Number 4. Shoulder shrugs. Shoulder shrugs are an excellent exercise for targeting the real delt, or rear deltoids, and are easy to learn. Start by standing upright with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a pair of dumbbells at your side. Keeping your arms straight, raise your shoulders towards your ears, then lower them back to the starting position. It's important to keep your arms straight throughout this exercise to focus the tension on the muscles of your shoulder and not your arm. For best results, do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Increase the weight as you get stronger. Keep in mind that perfect form is essential in order to maximize the benefits and avoid injury. Number 3. Arnold Press. The Arnold Press is a great exercise to build the real delt muscle of your shoulder. This move will help you increase the size and strength of your shoulder. To do an Arnold Press, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold 2 dumbbells in each hand with your palms facing away from you. Then lift the weights up towards the ceiling and slowly lower them back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. As you bring the weights down slowly, bring the dumbbells closer together in front of your chest in a controlled manner. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 12 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. You can increase the weight once you master the form. Make sure to focus on engaging your core and maintaining correct posture throughout the exercise. Number 2. Side lateral raise. The side lateral raise is a great exercise for targeting your real delts, the middle head of the shoulder. It's important to perform this exercise with proper form, as incorrect form can cause shoulder impingement. To do the side lateral raise, stand with a straight spine and your arms at your sides. Keeping your arms slightly bent and in line with your shoulders, slowly raise your arms out to the sides until they are parallel with the ground. Hold this position for 1 second and then slowly lower them back down. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps for this exercise. Make sure to squeeze your delts at the top of each rep and focus on contracting your real delts as you perform the movement. Number 1. The shoulder press. The shoulder press is an excellent exercise for building the muscles of the deltoid. Also known as the military press, it is one of the best exercises to work all 3 heads of the deltoid muscle, including the anterior, medial, and posterior heads. To perform a shoulder press, start by standing up straight with your feet hip width apart and hold 2 dumbbells at shoulder height. Keep your back straight and core tight throughout the entire exercise. Then, press both weights above your head, keeping them close together and palms facing forward. As you push the weights up, make sure to engage your core and glutes. Lower the weights back down to shoulder height with control. This completes 1 rep of a shoulder press. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each exercise. Working the shoulder press into your routine will help strengthen and build your deltoid muscles, helping you achieve real delt definition. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you can see all of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.